Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Soldragon token. Name of the token is Soldragon and ticker symbol is Soldragon. If you look at it quickly, it looks like it says Soldragon, but it is Soldragon. And it says, as the next Chinese New Year heralds the Year of the Dragon, so does the blockchain world witness the rise of Soldragon on the Solana network. Much like the mythical creature, it draws inspiration from Soldragon. It symbolizes strength, wisdom, and a powerful force in the decentralized realm. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on the Soldragon token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Now let's get into this token here, the Soldragon token. So Solana has been very popular. It shot up well over, $100 and something Canadian. And Solana meme tokens have been very popular. It is now 2024, the Year of the Dragon. And so now we have Soldragon. Happy Lunar New Year 2024. It is the Dragon Year on Solana. Now, you could join their Telegram at Soldragon TG. They have 4,788 Telegram subscribers, so that's a great place to join the conversation about this token. And they have the contract address over there on their Telegram. You can find that there. Their Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right on the screen here as usual, at Soldragon_X. Now, they have a link to their Telegram there as well. You can see that there. And then there's also a link to their webpage. So basically all the links you're going to find here on this Twitter. Soldragon.xyz is their webpage. Brand new project. Their Twitter just joined in August 2023. 5,313 Twitter followers. 77 tweets. Now their pinned tweet here has a link to Dex Screener, where you can view the chart of this token, see how it's doing here. We're going to pull that up in a second and view that. So it might not be listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap yet or anything like that. So you can find the chart as of now on Dex Screener. So that's in their pinned tweet. So it says Dragon is officially launched. It has the contract address right there. It says, let the Dragon token, the spirit of renewal, good fortune, and strength come to you this new year. So, the Year of the Dragon. Keep shining, Soldragon fam. It's another day to make some noise in the Solana space. Hashtag Sol, hashtag Dragon. Hang in there as we are creating a legacy as powerful as our dragon's powerful roar. Now, this token is available as of now on a decentralized exchange. Maybe a couple, but let's just go over one for now. So, you can get this token off of Raydium by... First of all, you need like a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet, Coinbase wallet, Coin98 wallet, whatever decentralized wallet you want to use to store your Solana. Then you would go into the dApps, you would find a Raydium, and then you could trade your Solana for the Soldragon token using the contract address that you could find in their pinned tweet. You can find it on their webpage. Or you can find it on their Telegram. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And I do believe there is no taxes on here. I was just looking at their webpage. I think it says, 0% taxes, so you don't need to worry about slippage or anything like that. It says liquidity is burnt. Total supply 100 million tokens and no taxes. So then right on their webpage, if you go to soldragon.xyz, you click on how to buy. It'll tell you prepare a wallet for Solana. You could use a Phantom wallet, it says here, or other wallets that support you to own Sol. Buy some from a reputable central exchange. Send them to your wallet. Choose the buy link on our social and do it manually by pasting the contract on Raydium to buy. So they have it that way too. So they're partners with Raydium. They have a Raydium link at the bottom of their page there. And not much information on their webpage. If you go to soldragon.xyz, it's basically just a little blurb I said at the beginning of this video, and then just tokenomics and how to buy. And that's about it. There's no like formal roadmap as of yet. Now on Deck Screener, I mean, they're not doing too bad here. This is a 15-minute chart here. Let me pull this up here. So let's go to, well, I mean, this is like a brand spanking new token, so it's like it's not doing bad yet. But, you know, give it time. It might do horrible in the next few days. Who knows? Or it might do amazing. That's crypto. I have no idea. What do I know? This is just information. So check out their Deck Screener chart right now. It's looks like it's doing fine right now, but you never know. It could dive bomb or it could go to the moon. But why I saw this token is it's getting a brand new central exchange listing. We haven't gone over this yet. So it says on Twitter at Bitmart Exchange, upcoming new listing. Bitmart will list Soldragon soon. Keep an eye on our socials for more further announcements. So follow at Bitmart Exchange or follow this Twitter here, Soldragon's Twitter. And they're going to list very soon when this token is going to be available on Bitmart. And then if you want, first of all, if you don't have a Bitmart account, you can download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, and then you would fund your Bitmart account with USDT. And then when it gets listed on there, you would go into the trade section, search Soldragon, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it doesn't give an exact date yet. It just says listing soon. So stay tuned for that. Year of the Dragon. The year of Solana. I wonder how Solana will do throughout the whole year, though. We'll have to wait and see for that. But yeah, little to no information besides 77 tweets. Now, they give you information on their Twitter, like after 4 hours of launch. So they just basically launched a few hours ago within the past. By the time I upload this video, it'll probably still be under 12 hours from when this token launched. So it says after 4 hours of launch, $3 million in volume, 4,000. It says 4,000 holders. I don't know where they got that. Okay, so well, they got different information than what I just looked at, but maybe this is including some centralized exchanges or something that's not registering yet on, let me see, what is it? Does it say on here? Yeah, well, on Deck Screener it says total liquidity is 343,000, and then market cap is 1.4 million. And yeah, they've had well, maybe there is a lot of yeah, okay. There's a lot of buys, a lot of sells. Doesn't give the holders on here for some reason. But where is it? Let me scroll down here. Pool, I'll keep looking, but maybe they're right there. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I brought up maybe that was the last video. I'm confused. All right, they say they have over 4,000 holders. We'll just take their word for it. 4,100 Telegram members, and then they're going to have Dex Tools, Deck Screener, Central Exchange listing announcement, which is the Bitmart listing, and all that coming soon. Okay, so yeah, they do have, in this tweet here, they show 5,947 makers, 16,000 transactions, and I think there's even more than that now on Deck Screener. Now it says, what does it say now? 7,700. Yeah, so they're even up from that too. So, I mean, the token's doing well in the first 24 hours, but we'll see what happens. Let me know in the comment section. Actually, I think this token, no, that's something else. Anyways, let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.